Mama, look. How is it? Does it look good?
Fantastic. How did you do that?
I learned this drawing technique recently. Let me show you, Mama. First, we can easily see that this chart has 10 sections. So we will first draw a chart with 10 equal sections. In the series values box, I will type the number 1 10 times. Then we will format this chart according to personal preference. I will increase the width of the border to better separate the sections in the donut chart. Next, select Data to visualize the value we need. To overlay the outer circle on the inner circle, we will choose Change Chart Type. Both series names will be set to donut type, but for the values we want to overlap, we will select Secondary Axis. For the completed part, I will format it with no fill and no line. For the remaining part, we will color it white with 30% transparency. I will increase the donut hole size a bit to make the chart look better. Next, we will add values and titles to the chart. We will insert text boxes, and in the formula bar of the text box, point to the cell we want to display the value from. Finally, group the elements to easily move them to the desired location.
Wonderful. Keep up the learning spirit. Come here and get a treat.
Wow, you're the best, Mom. Hey everyone watching the video. If you find this video useful, please give us a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Thank you all so much.